Welcome to Sklearning, the series of ADF questions. In today's video, we'll break down ADF, a powerful cloud-based ETL service for data integration. If you're new to Azure or data engineering, make sure to subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Let's start another question. What are the different types of triggers in ADF? Scheduled trigger runs at a specific time. Tumbling window trigger runs at periodic intervals. Event-based trigger responds to events like blob storage updates. Another question, how can you monitor ADF pipelines? Use the Monitoring tab in ADF Studio to track pipeline runs, activity runs, and failures. You can also integrate Azure Log Analytics and Azure Monitor. Another question, what is the integration runtime? IR in ADF. Integration runtime is the compute infrastructure in ADF classified into Azure IR for cloud-based operations, self-hosted IR for on-prem data movement, Azure SIS-IR for SIS package execution.
Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to Sklearning for more informative content.